Hello, good morning, and I welcome you all in this new video. This video is for iSolutions hiring, and iSolutions is hiring for the business development executive role. And I am going to tell you everything about the incentive and also what is the hiring criteria for the business development executive role. Let's move on to the very exciting part first, which is the incentive amounts. Now, the hiring incentive here is 20,300 rupees for every candidate who gets this job, and the interview incentive is 500 rupees for every candidate who reaches till interview round. It doesn't matter if he gets selected or not, but if he reaches till the interview round, you will be getting 500 rupees. The profile incentive here is 100 per profile, which matches the hiring criteria of this particular role. The number of position here open is 2, and you have the chance of earning rupees 40,000. Now you can earn this amount very easily if you understand what is the hiring criteria of this particular role very clearly. So let's move on to the hiring criteria. The three things I have already mentioned is the company name, iSolution, the job role, business development executive, and the open vacancies, which is two. The experience required here is 2 to 5 years, and the experience type needed is B2B. It means business to business because the candidate must know how to deal with the business and how to maintain the relationship with the business. Now the fixed CTC here is 7 lakh per annum. The office location is in Mumbai. The work mode will be on site as per Indian standard, and the working days will be 5 days working, 2 offs. The industry preferred here will be healthcare because the eye solution is itself a healthcare sector, and it will prefer the candidates who are from the same background. Other than this, the geographic condition is domestic, and the age criteria needed is 23 to 32 years. The education requirement here is post graduation. So this is all about the hiring incentive amounts and the hiring criteria. I hope you all have understood, and if you have profiles, good profiles for this particular job role, be quick and hunt well and let us know and earn more, earn these amounts. Thank you.